Happy morning, children. Welcome to today's session. Again, today we are continuing the same arithmetic progression. You must note the vast chapter, biggest chapter in the book, like that. Anyhow, we will continue. Again, this is the last but one sum in the exercise. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So again, you must know that it is a sum related to arithmetic progression, because started work is income 1995 for rupees 5,000 means, so it is considered as the first term A, that is 5,000 rupees, and received an increment of rupees 200. Rupees 200 in the sense what? You have to add the 200, that is 5,200. This in the second year, and again 200 added, 5,400. This is in the third year. Like that, the question asked here is, in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So when he is going to reach an amount of rupees 7,000? This is a question. The statement question can be analyzed like this to get an arithmetic progression. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, like that. AN is 7,000. So you must know AN is 7,000. That is AN is equal to, or A, below that you write down the formula, A plus N minus 1 into D equals 7,000. This is given. So this is also 7,000. Next, that is A means here is the first term. A is 5,000. That's right, 5,000 plus N we don't know how much. We have to find out. Hold as it is T. Difference you must know that this 5,000 to 5,200 means difference is 200. It is positive 200. Or 5,200 minus 5,000 you can make. That's 200 again. Here also you can see 5,400 minus 5,200 means 200 again. Element is given here, 200 here, increment. So it is positive 200 is equal to 7,000. So next what to do? This 5,000 is shift to this side. Shifting means n minus 1 is 200, let it be as it is. Or you can cancel 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Or dividing by 100 we say. You can cancel 2 0 here, 2 0 here, 2 0 here to make it short. So anyhow here 2 is there, n into 1 minus 1. N minus 1 into 2 is equal to 40 as it is. Now shift this 50 to right hand side. It becomes minus 50. In the next step it is shift this 2 to that side. N minus 1 let it be here equals 70 minus 50 means 20. 2 should be divided by 2. Or you can see here divided by 2, fit it here, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here also have to divide by 2. That's the written job. Anyhow, 2 and 20 means 2 ones are 2 tens are. So n minus 1 is equal to 10. A continuation here. N minus 1 is equal to 10. N minus 1 is now again shift minus 1 to right hand side. N is equal to 10 plus 1. N is equal to 11. It means in which year did his income reach 7,000 rupees? In which year means after 11th year, or in 11th year. In 11th year his income reaches rupees 7,000. This is the final answer. Or if you want to find out 11th year means, you should know that is 1995, the starting year. 1995. So if you add 11 to that, you will be getting 2006. But be careful, the answer is 2005 because including 1995. Or you can write what? Or in the month of 2005. Or in the year 2005. In the year 2005, his income will be 7,000 rupees. See children, here 1995, the answer is 11th year only. But 11th year in this sense, don't add 11 to this. Okay, if you add 11 to this, 1995 plus 11, you are going to get 2006. But this year also should be included because 95 is the first year. 96 is the second year. 93rd is the 95 is the first year. 96 second year. 97 third year, like that. If you go on calculating, you will be getting in the year 2005 will reach a salary of rupees 7,000. That's it. I think you understood. Now we proceed to the next sum. Yes, children. Here is the next sum now. That is in the textbook is the last sum on this exercise. That is Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find n. This is similar question, like what we did in the previous question. Same thing. It means here, see, Ramkali said rupees 5 means this is the first term or a, that is 5, comma. Then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. Increase by means you have to add 1.75. For 5 rupees, if you add 1.75, you will be getting 6.75. Again 6.75 plus 1.75. If you add, you will be getting 8.50. Okay? Like then again, if you add 1.75 for this, 9.50, 10.50 means 10.15. Like that you can go on writing. The question has to be here is, in which week her savings will be rupees 20.75. This is how you have to analyze the statement question like this. So anyhow, this is A. So anyhow, first term, first week, second week, third week, fourth week, like that we don't know. This may be 10th week, 12th week, that only you have to find out. Anyhow, start with AN. That is what? AN means, let us write down the formula. A plus n minus 1 to d equals. So AN equals this one last. That is 20.75. This is given. Again, this is also 20.75 only. Now A means here is first term 5. N means number of weeks. We are supposed to find out. Hold as it is. Then D is nothing but different. That is 6.75 minus 5. is 1.75. Again 8.50 minus 6.75. Again 1.5. Now it is given here 1.7. That is the difference you must be knowing. So it is how much? 1.75 is equal to 20.75. Now you can divide completely by 5. This also divided by 5. This also divided by, or better shift this 5 to that side. Subtract it. So what do you get? It is 9 minus 1 into 1.75 will be equal to 20.75 minus 5. See, the subtraction also must very careful how to subtract. That is n minus 1 into 1.75 will be equal to 15.75. So this subtraction will show here. Learn that how to do the subtraction. That is 20.75 means 20.75 write like this. Then minus 5. 5 means below the unit place, that is 0. Put a point here. Then write. This is how you have to subtract. 20.75 minus 5. That is 5 minus 0 is 5. This is 7. Dot 10 minus 5 is 5. 15. That's how you got 15.75. So in the next step, let us transfer this 1.75 to the right hand side, so that it will go to the denominator. Or as I used to say, if this is divided by 1.75, 1.75 gets cancelled. Obviously, here also I was right. On that step I am writing here. That is next step is then n minus 1 is equal to 15.75 upon 1.75. If you go on continuing like that, after the digit, after the dot, 2 digits are there. There are 2 digits. You can eliminate that digit to make it a round figure. That is 1575. 1575 divided by 175. The next step, n minus 1 is equal to, see, 175 and 1575 means, you may see that how many times should it go? It is 9 times should, because 175 is there. 10 times means 1750. Just you put 0. 10 times 1000, but 1750 is not there. So it is less. So come back 9. You can check this. See, 9 5 is 45. 4 carry. 9 7 is 56 plus 4. Sorry, 9 5 is 45. 4 carry. This one check how many times it will go. Yes, children. This will go 9 times. You can check. 9 5 is 45. 4 carry. 9 7 is 63 plus 4 67. 6 carry. 9 1 is 9 plus 6 50. It's purely a calculation part. You can divide according to your method. Anyhow it is 9 times will go. Now 9 minus 1 you shift this side. That is n is equal to 9 plus 1. N is equal to 10. The question asked here is find n. So answer is ready. N is equal to 10. It means in the 10th week our income will be, or our savings will be 20.75 rupees. That's the meaning of this sum. By this, children, this exercise completes all the exercises we discussed. I did not discuss any worked example sums. Please go try to understand yourself, children. Worked examples, try to solve it yourself, because questions will be there, steps will be there, answers will be there. The thing is how you are going to solve, which method you are going to adopt, or how short you can do that. Short method, shortcuts method. You can refer to the steps, but after referring to the steps, you apply your method and make it short and try to get the answer. Thank you, children. We'll see the next sum now. Yes, children. Here is a sum again. This is not there in the textbook. This is taken from exemplar. So I used to say, practice the exemplar sums. See, yesterday we did this type of sum in the previous class. That's another concept. But look at the same one. Two APs have the same common difference. The first term of one of these is -1 and that of the other is -8. Then find the difference between their fourth terms. See children, I can do the sum here, but afterwards I will show an activity. Please learn that and try to create your own if possible. Anyhow, let me do the sum first. For example, here it is that two APs are there. Let us say first AP is here and second AP. Two APs have the same common difference. Means difference is same. That is D is equal to D. Here also D is equal to. Common difference is same. Common difference equals D. Here the common difference equals D. Whereas the first term of one of these is -1. First AP. Let me say the first term is denoted by small a. You must be knowing. It is -1 and here it is -8. This is -8 and here it is -1. The question asked here is, then find the difference between their fourth term. Difference between fourth term means here according to this, what is A4 you have to find out. According to this, what is A4 you find out. Then find out the difference between these two. Difference between these two. For example, here according to first AP, what is this A4? For first AP, A4 is equal to A plus 3 times difference. Because you must know A plus n minus unity formula we are applying. For first AP we are doing now. So A is -1, which is equal to -1 plus 3D. Okay. Or according to this, A4, again fourth term only, same A plus 3D is equal to, here it is -8 plus 3 times difference, because A4 is nothing but A plus 3 times difference. So in the question it is given, it is clear. Difference means you must know this, you have to subtract. If you subtract, what you will get? This becomes minus, this becomes minus, again this becomes minus, minus becomes plus, this plus becomes minus. So it's what? A4 minus A4. You must know it is 0. Again here A minus here 0. 3D minus 3D 0. Anyhow it is 0 only. Plus 8 minus 1. Plus 8 minus 1 means what? It is 7. Now here plus 3D minus 3D gets cancelled. It means, see, the difference between the common differences is 7. That is D is equal to 7. That's all. So difference in fourth term is what? Then the difference between the fourth term is 4 term difference. It is just 3D gets cancelled, we getting 7. Now let me check this by taking an example that we'll see later. So conclude the answer, children. What is that? Then find the difference between the fourth terms. Therefore, difference between their fourth term is 7. This is how you have to conclude. See children, here this is just verification for the curiosity of this sum. It means it is given there the first term of one of these is -1. So start with -1. Then if we add -5 to that, should have -1 -5 is -6. minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 minus 11 minus 5 minus like that. So y around 4 term means just you have to check the difference between the fourth term. So 1 2 3 4 like that. Similarly, yes, the second is what? Minus 8, because it's already given. First term of the other is minus 8. Since the common difference is same, but add again minus 5 only. So minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. Minus 13 minus 5 minus 18. Minus 18 minus 5 minus. These are the four terms. If you find the difference between these two fourth term, see children here, this minus this means minus 16. Minus of this means you have to change the sign. Minus 2 plus 23 or 23 minus 16 nothing but 7. One more you can observe here. If they ask you find out the difference between third also, that is also see minus 11 plus 18, that is also 7. It means the difference between their third term is also 7. You can check the second term also, that is also 7. Ultimately come to the question children, the question answer is there, just to change the sign of this. So minus 1 plus 8 means the question only is there. See, minus 8 plus 1 means you will be getting 7. This is ultimately, you can write a direct answer. But always, as much as possible, you should know the procedure and get the solution. Yes, children, here is the question now. Again, this is not there in the textbook. See, this question was asked some 3 or 4 years back in the final examination of CBSE for 3 marks. It's very simple question. Let me see how to solve it. If 7 times the 7th term is equal to 11 times the 11th term, then show that 18th term is 0. See children, here question is given, answer is also given. So there is no question of confusion. You should reach the answer as 0. If you are not able to do that, something wrong. So you should not do that. Please see that how to. Before that, 18th term is 0 is given. Let me analyze that how to get 18th term. So 18th term means you must know it is A18. This is the proof you are expected to do. 18th term is 0 means A18 equals 0. You are supposed to prove it. So what is A18 then? A18 is nothing but A plus 17 time difference. You should know this. It means by using these two relationships, if you come across somewhere A plus 17 equals 0, your proof is over. That knowledge you must have. You will not get any A18 directly, but you must know A plus 17 time difference is nothing but A18. That's why I showed earlier. Now let me come back to the situation of the question. It is given here, if 7 times the 7th term, how to write it is most important. 7 times means 7 into 7 times the 7th term means A7. See, this is how you write it. 7 times the 7th term means 7 is there. 7 times 7th term means, I think you know it is A7. Is equal to is given, sorry, it equals 11 times the 11th term. 11 times, we just write down 11. 11 times the 11th term. 11th term, how will you express? Again it is 11. Now let me expand this. So 7 let it be as it is. Bracket A7. A7 means A plus 6 times difference. Because 7 minus 1 into D means 6D. Equals. This 11 let it be as it is. Again in the bracket A11. What is the step children? A11 means A plus 10 times difference. You must know this 11 minus 1 is 10. In the next step, we will multiply. See 7 into A. It is 7A. Plus 7 into 6. It is 42D. equals 11 into A. It is 11A plus 11 into 10D. 11 into 10 means 110. Time difference. Now see children here, 11A plus 110D. We'll keep as it is. 11A, let it be, we are this time writing, we are not shifting. This time writing 11A, try to understand here. I have written 11A as it is. Now I am shifting 7A towards 11A. Or I am shifting 7A to the right hand side. From left hand side to right hand. Transposing we say. At the time of transfer, what happens? The sign will change. You must know that. That is 7A becomes minus 7A. Then say plus 110D, let it be as it is. See children, 11A plus 110D as it is. 11A plus 110D as it is. Again we are shifting plus 42D towards the right hand side or towards 110D. So again sign gets changed. The plus 42 becomes minus 42D equal to 0. Because all the terms are transferred to one side. Now 11A minus 7A. They are like terms. Here also A, here also A. So 11 minus 7. If you operate 11 minus 7, you will be getting what? 4A. Because 11 minus 7 is 4. Similarly here, D is there, here also D. They are like terms. 110 is greater than 40, you must be knowing. Again 110 contains positive sign. So our answer is also positive. And here 110 contains positive sign, 42 contains negative sign, different sign will subtract. So 110 minus 42, how much you will get? 10 minus 2, it is 8. Again 0 means 10, 10 minus 4 means it is 68. D is equal to 0. Or this is just operation children, you have to subtract yourself and get the answer. So here you see, you can divide this by 4 because 4 is common factor in this. So if you divide by 4, what you will get? So 4A divided by 4 means 4 and 4 gets cancelled. You must know it is A. Plus again 68. You can show if you want. 4 and 68 means 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 3. Something wrong with it? So 4 ones are 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2 here. So bring down this 8. It is 4 sevens are 28. It means 17 times. See 68 divided by 4 means I showed in the working column. It's 17 times B is equal to 0. So A plus 17D, you can come back here and see. So A plus 17D is nothing but A18. So A plus 17D is what? A18 is equal to 0. See children, hardly how many steps are there? See, last step is given in the question itself. That is, you have to show that 18 term is 0. So no marks for this imagined lecture. Hardly 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That again first line is given in the question only. So anyhow, it is totally 6 steps. So each step carries half mark. Like that, it is 3 marks that you are asked in the examination. It may come in the multiple choice also. Whatever may be that, try to analyze and solve it.